Hi, I'm Chris, and we're going through this College Board SAT question. This is from a practice test from the College Board online, and it's question 19. So here, they tell us in the question that f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. And then they're asking for the value of t such that 1/2 f of root t equals 4. So what's really important for us to do in this question, rather than get caught up in this complex expression, is just to take a step back and think about what it means when we have a function. F of x means that if we plug in a particular value for x, we can plug that value into this expression to see what the corresponding value of the function would be. So, for example, if they said f of 4, we would plug in a 4 for x and we'd get 2 times 4 minus 1. If they said -3, we'd plug in a -3 for x and we'd get 2 times -3 minus 1. In this case, in this expression, they say f of root t. So we're still going to follow that same approach. F of root t, just because it's not a number, it looks a little different, but the math on it is the same. We take the square root of t and we plug that in place of x. So this would be 2 times the square root of t minus 1. So that's what we get for f of root t. Now that we know what that expression is, we can plug that into this formula. 1/2 times 2 root t minus 1 equals 4. And the question's asking us to solve for t. So to simplify, we can multiply both sides by 2 to cancel out this fraction. And we get 2 root t minus 1 equals 8. We add 1 to the other side. 2 root t equals 9. We divide by 2. The square root of t equals 9 over 2. And to get t by itself, we have to then square both sides. When we do that, we get 81 over 4, which is answer choice E. One thing to point out on this, a lot of times they come up with tempting answer choices by looking at common miscalculations. How did they come up with answer choice A, and why might that be tempting with some students? So if you look, you have square root of t equals 9 over 2. If instead of squaring both sides to eliminate the root, if you had taken the square root of both sides, you would come up with 3 over the square root of 2, which is answer choice A. And although that's not the correct answer choice here, you can oftentimes learn a lot from SAT answer choices by understanding where College Board comes up with particular answer choices. If you can understand what the College Board is thinking might be tempting for students and where they derive their incorrect answer choices, then that gives you all the more advantage when it comes time to selecting the correct answer choice on test day. For more, please feel free to watch our other videos, and thanks for watching.